I'm Patty and I'm in charge of the visual elements and the progress documentation of this project. Since our project is more focused on the use of hand motions, we want to make sure that our interface design is as self-explanatory as possible. The main challenges that I found was finding a suitable color palette that matches our theme, as well as integrating a minimalistic design for our cocktail interface. After a few trial and errors and experimentation, I came up with the use of flat 2D design, as I believe that this will be more pleasing to the eyes of the viewer as well. The main things that I want to improve about this project is communication. I find that communication is very essential in effectively executing a quality work. The thing that I enjoyed the most about this project was discovering how each team has integrated social elements to the robot. I find that this is very interesting and insightful to our work as well. I find that it is quite important to understand our partners' strengths and weaknesses, as well as working towards one goal so we can achieve the same desired output. This will definitely help us work more efficiently in the future and just make the whole experience much more fun and less stressful.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm in charge of the technical aspects of the project, such as coding and working with the hardware, as well as the overall focus and direction of the project. One of the main focuses of our project was creating something different and somewhat unique to the other projects. We decided to steer away from the standard devices such as tablets and smartphones, and decided to turn the actual bar itself into the menu using projections. Once we decided what the medium was we were actually going to use for the menu, we had to think about how the users would interact with this. Again, steering away from the norm of touchpads and smartphones, we decided to use hand tracking technology in terms of the actual Kinect in order to get the users to interact with this. Some of the problems with this is that because we're steering away from the norm, it might be a bit difficult for users to actually understand how to use it. So the inclusion of instructions or indicators in the actual menu itself had to be included. One of the main problems I encountered with the project was the sheer lack of experience with understanding the technologies that we were using, mainly the Kinect sensors. I had to figure out a way in order to get the Kinect to actually detect the hand as well as track it, and have it in such a manner that it could easily be done by a user with little to no experience. The hand itself was initially picked up by performing a waving motion in front of the sensor. The hand is then assigned p-vector values, which allows it to be tracked in relation to the actual field of view of the camera into the actual sketch. After that, it's a simple form of just doing circle detection as well as rectangle detection to figure out whether or not the user's hovering over a certain button or not. The other main problem we encountered with the project was the fact that the bars position kept changing throughout the development stage. This meant that the height of the roof in which the bars actually kept changing, which would affect how the projection as well as the Kinect would behave.
Although there are many challenges that we'll face during this project, I find this whole experience to be very valuable. So I hope you guys like our project and have a lot of fun.